Good morning!
Good morning, guys!
Sunday today!
We go to...
Where we go now? Oh, today? Benidorm, always. Yeah. Hey, let's go! Kape na and go! Gora!
Gora. You wake up happy?
Yes.
Is this all ball?
Yes, we have here. Bison ball. Hilok.
Yes, this is.
Okay.
Put here. Put there. Put where you want.
Inom siya ng Bisolbon kasi ubo ng ubo. Ubo siya ng ubo kagabi pa. Hindi naman. Naalala niya, meron pa ng gamot kami dito sa ref. Kape muna tayo, guys. Gawa ang kape kasi late na kami bumangon. Sarap yung tulog ko. Wala na akong mayroon. Gusto na.
Home, 3 hours only for going down, don't go.
Okay.
Hi,
Because
guys.
tagal-tagal ko mag-ayos, sabi niya. Sabi ko 1 hour, sabi niya. No, only 35 minutes.
30
minutes only. Okay.
You drink quickly.
Yes, because I will do it because I don't need shower because I had
Yes, I
shower
know.
yesterday. So
Yesterday
it's
night.
quick for me. Ready na ako, guys. So, nakapag-makeup na ako. Madali ang makeup lang to kasi nagmamadali na yung kasama ko. He's in rush. Kasi hindi daw kami pwede malate kasi pagdating doon, wala na kaming gagawin. Kasi pagdating doon, pauwi na. Kasi medyo malayo rin. Almost 1.5 hours ang biyahe. Yeah? 1.5.
1 hour 20 minutes.
1 hour 20 minutes. Guwapo. Punta pala kami, guys, ngayon ng Benidorm. Mag-ukay-ukay kami. Yun lang pupuntahan namin doon. Ayan, ready na tayo. Sarap magbilad sa araw. Patanggal na ang lamig.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Say, hola, amigos.
Hola, amigos.
Yes. Hola, amigos.
Buenos días.
Buenos días. Hola, amigos.
Bumaba si Jackie, guys. Bibili siya ng bili siya ng gamot sa ubo kasi magdamag siya, hindi nakatulog, inuubo. So, daanan namin habang pupunta kami ron kasi baka wala kayong madaanan dyan sa daan. So, kailangan niya na uminom ng gamot.
My goodness, pharmacy.
Oh my goodness, there's a lot of...
For the golf.
Oh, and what is inside? Strepsils, yes, because...
Your strepsils.
Inubos na yung strepsils.
This is too much things for me.
Oh my goodness. Binili niya na lahat ng pharmacy. Take your medicine first.
Wait, I need to read how much I need.
1 tablespoon for adult. That's right. Yes, I like Spain. So guys, nag-ibentuhan kami. Naalala ko sino ang bagong dating ako dito. Sa Barcelona kasi kami nag-stop. Bumaba. Habang nasa train kami, pinagmamasdan ko yung dinadaanan. Kasi ang ganda ng view. Tapos ngayon naalala ko, sabi ko, na pala, 4 months na pala ako rito. Nakasurvive din kahit paano. Sa lungkot, malapit na kami, guys. Dito na kami sa how many minutes? We are close?
19.
19? Okay.
Take it here.
Okay. Siguro gagawin na. Ang una namin gagawin is punta mo kami ng market. Mamimili po na kami. Mamaya na kami magtambay or magkalagala or beach in America?
America?
Yes, America.
California?
No. What is the name? I forgot the name. In Hawaii? Is that Hawaii?
No. Hawaii is
We are here. Tinitingnan muna namin sa Google kung ano ba yung mga attraction dito. Init kasi yun. Stop muna kami dito sa gilid para pagbaba namin diretso na kami kung saan kayo pupunta. Yes, it's look like nice here. There's a lot of shop.
the beach is there.
Yung paborito natin mga babaita shopping. Yan, ang daming buildings, parang nasa city. Hinahanap pa namin yung market. Dito na kami, guys. Yes! Huwag ko daw bibilihin lahat. Baka mamaya, pag nakita ko, maraming magandang damit. Nako. I'm going to buy all the market.
Mira, hoy me he puesto de lo que me
You want?
Wait.
A la vuelta, cuando me diste la intermitencia, que yo no lo había visto a la vuelta.
I like that. No, I like that. But no, I like that. Something like that. There's a lot of things here. Where have you been? Yes, I bought 2 jackets.
2?
Yes.
My
But it's only
goodness.
2.
Do you want it there?
Yeah, gaganda ng mga motorbike dito, oh. Talagang mga pangbongga. Santa Claus is here. My goodness. Nakabili ako 2 jackets. We're going to have lunch here? Okay, let's go.
But we can go there to
Yes.
the singing man or
We're going to
here?
have lunch first here. I think for me is... What is that?
Chicken.
What is this?
This is codillo. I told you. This of the pork.
Okay. What's this? Chicken?
Chicken, half chicken. Sleep. And something for...
Yes, fish for me.
Yes, no, but something for
Starter.
starter, yes.
Look! It's big! Ang laki pala ng bone! Gracias! Oh my God! I can't believe it! It's too big! Kain tayo, guys! Sarap ng salad nito. I like this salad. Finish! Oh my God. Giniginaw daw si Jackie. Iniwan niya yung jacket niya sa car. Yan tuloy. Naghahanap kami ng medyo ano, murang jacket. Ang daming tinda rin dito. Pero ano to, mga brand new. Daming bags! Oh my gosh! Sarap sana mamili. Really. Hindi, not bad. But it's not yeah. You want t-shirt like that? Dang t-shirt na. Good for you. Yes, it's okay. For everyday, pambahay niya, pwede na. Yes. Mitsu,
It's little.
I want one.
Anna,
Yes, that is okay.
love this.
Guys, sa beach. Sobrang ganda ng beach nila dito, guys. Ayan, tingnan mo. Grabe. Fantastic. Lalo na siguro pag ano rin ito. Sobrang dami siguro ng mga. Ayan na, oh. Winter pa yung mga naliligo. Namiss ko yung Boracay. Hindi ko pa rin pagpapalit yung Boracay dito. Maganda to, oh. Or sariling ano, sariling ate. Oh my God! What an amazing view! My goodness! What is... What kind of bird is that?
Gaviota.
Gaviota?
You know this gaviota?
No. Daming nag-swim. Guys, dito na kami sa pinakatukto. Sobrang ganda ng view. Look at that. Dami nag-swim. Dami nag-beach kahit na winter. I love this place. Ang dami ring ano, ang dami ring birds doon, oh. Ang iingay nila. Oh my God, ang galing ni Kuya. Ang galing niya mag-paint. Ah, paguhit-guhit lang, oh. Tapos ayan. Okay, and video on my phone. Jackie! Dami rin tourist na rin dito, guys. Dami na mamasyal. May asawa. Puntahan natin. Asawa, I like you. It's nice.
Yes,
I like
so nice.
I think this is the most beautiful beach I ever seen. And
In your life?
Benidorm, yes. In Benidorm, in Valencia, Spain. I love it. It's amazing. Naupo muna kami rito guys. Rest sandali. Si Jackie, ano siya, medyo masama yung nakauwi na kami guys. Kararating lang namin. So, ito yung nabili ko sa Okay. Bumili ako ng dalawang jacket lang. Sana. Ang kapal-pal. Ang bigat. Grabe. Nalibot na ako. Ngayon, nabili kong jacket. Kulay ano siya? Kulay parang ano na siya? Army green. Ayan. So, ayan lang. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye!